Hey, Austin Floyd here, agency owner and data-driven marketer. And in this video, I want to cover if you should be using auto placements on your Facebook ads in 2019. And if you haven't yet, make sure to press the subscribe button so you get notified when videos just like this come out in the future. Something we see all the time, whether it's from other agencies auditing an account or if it's just from the Facebook guru that you see online, is the teaching to not use auto placements, or in other words, to selectively pick different placements, whether that be feed or story, that you should be using for the majority of your cold traffic ads. But the problem is that with the evolution of the Facebook algorithm and how it's working, it doesn't necessarily work in a way where you can now selectively choose placements and expect to see the incredible results that you can otherwise. So here's what I'm talking about. Auto placements is when you allow Facebook to selectively pick the different placements that your ad will show up. So instead of saying, hey, I want someone to see it while they're scrolling through their feed, Facebook will say, hey, actually it would be better to show them in the audience network during this specific time, your ad. And by doing that, they believe that you will have a higher return on ad spend. Now here is the problem for people who think that the algorithm won't be optimized for them and auto placements isn't right. By selectively choosing these placements, you are actively missing out on many different placements which you should be reaching your customer at a specific time that you simply can't calculate because you aren't the Facebook algorithm. Now, I understand you have a ton of data that shows that feeds and stories are the only places that your ads are working, but the problem is it's a likely creative issue and not an auto placement issue. So you should not be using auto placements if you can't create square creative and some vertical creative to allow Facebook's algorithm to actively find and put your ads in front of the people at the specific time when they would buy in a format that makes your creatives look great. If you can't do that, I totally understand, and maybe auto placements isn't right for you, but if you can create a square and a vertical image or a square and a vertical video and then choose auto placements to allow the Facebook algorithm to serve up those creatives at the right time with the right placement, with the right creative formats, then you will start to see better return on ad spend and better success with the Facebook algorithm, especially with cold traffic, where it becomes increasingly more difficult to figure out the message, the audience, and the creative that will convert. Allow Facebook to do that and to figure out the placements that work best for you, and you are going to see an increase in your return on ad spend like you've never seen before. If that helped you in any way, drop below what you've been seeing from auto placements. Otherwise, make sure to press the subscribe button so you get notified when videos just like this come out in the future.